What should customers look for when hiring a wildlife control company?
I feel like my customers in particular are looking for functional, efficient, and aesthetics. You know, somebody that has a nice house. That's our largest purchase of our life is our homes. So most of my customers don't want somebody coming there and just slapping some spray foam up on their house because it's ugly or unsightly. Um, they don't want you just going to their house and setting up 50 traps in their yard trying to catch, you know, random neighborhood animals because they're still going to have the animals in their attic. So customers honestly, my customers look for efficiency, aesthetics, and just get it done, get it over with, make it look good. And that's kind of the nuts and bolts of it.